Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel English Tech for You. In this session, we'll discuss about English methodology. Let us have a clear-cut idea about language definitions. Our first author is Harold E. Palmer. Harold E. Palmer said that language is a set of habits, it is a habit formation process, and it is acquire new habit. Harold E. Palmer, keyword is habit. Next author is Wardak. Definition is language is a system of arbitrary vocal symbol used for human communication. So we have to remember here in this Wardak definition human communication. Our next author is Oho Jesperson. Jesperson gave a language definition as to give expressions, thoughts and feelings, especially to impart them to others. So in this we have to remember only one thing, expression and thoughts and feelings. Our next author is Bloch and Traeger. Bloch and Traeger said the definition as language is a system of arbitrary vocal symbols through which a social group interacts. So in this Bloch and Traeger definition, we have to remember social group interacts. Our next author, Webster's Dictionary. He gave a definition as language is a systematic means of communication, ideas or feelings by the use of conventionalized. In this definition, the keyword is sign, sounds, marks, gesture. Means communicative ideas or feelings. Our next author is Random House Dictionary. Random House Dictionary said that language is any set or system of linguistic symbols as used in a more or less uniform fashion by a number of people who are thus enabled to communicate intelligibility to one another. So in this Random House Dictionary definition, we have to remember uniform fashion as a keyword. Our next author is Pi. The author Pi gave a definition as language is a means of communication by sound operating through organs of speech and hearing among a number of given community using vocal symbols conventional meaning. In this Pi definition, we have to remember as a keyword organs of speech and hearing. Our next author is Noam Chomsky. Noam Chomsky gave a language definition as language is a means of communication for thinking it is distinct and indistinct as per as learning first language is concerned. In this Noam Chomsky definition, the keyword is thinking, distinct and indistinct. Our next author is Edward Sapir. Edward Sapir gave a language definition as language is a purely human, non-instinctive method of communicating ideas, emotions and desires by the use of voluntarily produced symbols. In this, we have to remember the keyword as non-instinctive. Edward Sapir wrote a book called An Introduction to the Study of Speech. Our next author is Finocchiaro. Finocchiaro gave a language definition as language is a system of arbitrary vocal symbols which permits all people in a given culture or other people who have learned the system of culture to interact or communicate. The keyword in this Finocchiaro definition to communicate or interact. General definition of language is the word language is derived from Latin lingua, which means a sound produced by help of tongue. So these are the definitions of language which are given by our authors. Thank you for watching.